right, let's have a look at my recent natural gas trade using LettoChannels and using volume profile real quick. The trade setup occurred right here in the morning. We hit overbought in LettoChannels. We went back into overbought territory. I entered right here as we came out of overbought on the first go around. Let's make that a little bit bigger. So there we can see the entry. Now, why did I enter there and why am I holding down to an exit further down? Let's take a look at my entry chart. So here is the first overbought area. That's where we went into overbought. Now you see this is the value area right here. This pink line, the gray area, the blue line, this is the value area based on volume profile. And so we went into overbought, we went outside of value, we came back down and we hit below the moving average. That's my entry signal. Going below the moving average, I put a limit order in right at the moving average, got filled. I think I had a tick or two of heat there. That was about it. So I've been short from that zone. I'm holding down here. I'm seeing some resistance coming here. You can see that we're bouncing off of this value area low volume node right here, this blue line. There's been a lot of volume that came into the buy right here. It filled in that value area, the low volume node. The low volume node is gone now, so we might want to. I got my stop above this blue. These two blue lines are low volume nodes, so this tells you where the market has been rejecting price, where market levels are rejected. So this is good resistance. I'm holding to target this low volume node down here. That's a pretty aggressive target. A more conservative target is this volume node here, which is at the low of the value area. Right now it's playing out. Another target, although a much lower probability target, is the LettoChannels low. Now this is the 90 line. 90% of the time the market doesn't get down here, so that's a pretty extreme target. I went in the middle of that. The LettoChannels low oversold channel is actually going to be moving up here in a few minutes. Let's do that. So this will be the new LettoChannel low area, basically the buy zone. This will be the new 90 line. So it's pretty extreme if we get down to that level. You can see it here, 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 and then during this time at 8 o'clock, we have seen that the 90 line moves up a little bit. Quite a bit, actually. Now another target would be the value area low. And again, this low volume node right here at the 2810 level. I'm at sitting at 320 P&L right now. If we can push through here, natural gas can certainly shoot down pretty aggressively. So there were actually two possibilities for entry. One was my original entry spot. Another one would have been here as we come off of the second touch of the LettoChannel overbought area. Yellow line is the point of control for the value area. This is the most popular price for the natural gas market. We should see resistance or support, I should say, at the value area low. This was resistance at the value area high. The market was going into discovery mode down here as it pushed below the value area. I wasn't awake for this move. That would have been a great time to get in. We're on LettoChannels at that time. So at about 345, we hit 350. We hit the value LettoChannels low. 350 is right here. This is a LettoChannels oversold mark right there, so that's pretty significant. Would have been a good entry. Good. Let's recalculate this. I'm going to recalculate this. up. See what that's about. There we go. It's a little better. What I wanted to get was my oversold dots. These diamonds are from LettoChannels. Oh, interesting. Not sure why I'm getting that. I'll have to check into the code. We're at about 320. I've got a few minutes left here before we pull the plug. Market is stalled out here again. We're hitting another value area. The low volume node has disappeared, you can see, so the market is gaining acceptance right there. We're at $300 P&L. I'm going to pull the plug on it now. We'll close out the position. $300 gain. So thank you for joining me. This little quick overview of the trade today in natural gas. Let me know if you have any questions. And thanks again for tuning in.